Hey Cougs, if you want to grant your parent or guardian access to your MyWSU student account, then you've come to the right place. In this brief video, we will go over the process of granting third-party access. And keep in mind that if you and your family plan on taking out a Parent Plus loan, third-party access is required. First, log into your MyWSU student account at my.wsu.edu. Once logged in using your student login information, select the profile tile from the homepage. Next, select third-party access from the spine menu. Under the WSU Students section of this page, click Share My Information. If your parent or guardian has a WSU Friend ID or you aren't sure, click Yes and enter the email address associated with the Friend ID. If they don't, you will want to choose the option No, create a new third-party access account. From here, enter the first, middle, and last name followed by their email address. Once finished, click Continue. On this page, you will be able to set the authorization code for your third party, choose what information regarding your student account the third party will have access to, and set an expiration date for these privileges. For financial aid purposes, you will want to choose the Financial Aid, Award Summary, and Parent Plus loan application. Please note that for the third party to contact our office and discuss the details of your student account, they will need to recite the authorization code previously set up for them. After setting up an authorization code, scroll down to the Terms of Use section. Once you have clicked Agree, you can submit. Congratulations, you have successfully granted third-party access to your student account. Thanks for watching, and as always, go Cougs!